Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair at Kaizenk, and today I'm showing you how to add a bleed to a rastered image for an overlay. There is a gray piece blocking the artwork because this artwork is confidential, but I can still show you the process. So I've opened up a provided PDF in Photoshop, and this layer was locked. So all I did was double click on the layer, and a different pop-up came up, and I hit OK, which unlocks it. So at this point, you go to image size, make sure this is selected to keep your artwork proportionate. Go ahead and add 0.1 to the width. After that takes, we're going to go to canvas size, and we're going to add a 1/2 inch to the finished size, so it becomes 24.5 by 60.5. After that populates, go ahead and grab the rectangle marquee selection tool, and we're going to grab just the sliver of the top of the artwork that's showing, hold shift and just click and drag up, and then this process gets repeated on all 4 sides. So if you're having difficulty selecting just a little bit, as long as you have that selection tool there, you could use your arrows to nudge it over and grab just a tiny amount. Again, Control T, hold shift, drag it out, and move on to the bottom. Same thing, Control T, shift, drag it down, and on this left side here, same thing, select it, and nudge it over 2 clicks. Control T, hold shift, drag it out, and at this point, you're good to do File, Save As, and save the production folder as you normally would into the corresponding order folder. All right, thanks for watching.